would if it's in the basement.
Am I a trusted connection? It says the trusted connection thing is blacked out for me for some reason.
For former pleader,
Am I not allowed to? I had trusted connections. Am I untrusted?
Chi? What is it doing?
Sitting on the couch?
Yo. Bitch.
Give me a damn minute.
Oh
Why
my
did you close the door
god.
behind me? You saw the
didn't.
apples?
Why is there a person inside the couch?
What?
Do you fucking
Oh wait,
see
my
that?
privacy settings. What is
You
wrong with
see
my
it?
privacy settings?
Hey.
That's a person. Should I touch it? I have no guns.
No.
Party on.
Bye.
Oh no.
How
I'm
many buy stuff, bro?
scared.
It's almost what we ate.